Hello everybody, I'm back for another video. It's our second week of the new year. As you can see, I've already curled my hair this morning because I have been kicked out of my little sitting space in my room, and now I have to be in the dungeon office with my makeshift backdrop. Okay, we're just gonna make it work. Stuff happens, move on, right? So we've curled our hair, and today I've decided to do like a side shaved look. Sometimes we feel like we might have a look, but we don't really want to commit, so it's easy just to do it in your style. So I'm going to take a little square on the side that I would have shaved off. I'm going to pull it back and I pinch it together. That way the pinching, I can put my bobby pins in. Remember, I like to go in like this. I put it right on there and push in. That way you're not putting it up, you're not crisscrossing it, you're not going to see it. Your hair's up, right? Then you pull. You try to pull the hair over. Let's double pin this, okay? Let me pull this hair out because I need that to come around. So we'll do a double trouble pin. We'll put 2 in there. Bring the hair down. Pull it through. Now I got to get my freezing shine on those curls so that they last for our style tomorrow, right? And there we go. That way you have it so it looks like it could be shaved, it could not be shaved, has that little funky senorita feel in there, you know? It's a cute little style for the day. I hope that you all have been trying to do your hairstyles and impressing all the people at work, feeling good about yourself, get some compliments at the grocery store. I know I am. I'm like, hey, thank you, I did it myself. Watch my YouTube video. Alright everybody, that's great. I hope you're having a great second week of the new year. I know I am, and let's keep this thing going, get our hairstyles going. We got it curled, so that for tomorrow we can do our updo. That's what I'm going to start, a revolution. We're going to have a downdo and an updo, and a downdo and an updo for the whole year. Keep it going. If that starts happening all over the world, you heard it here first. Down hair. Tomorrow, up here. Next day, down hair. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, and I will see you tomorrow with a new updo style for the new year.